luxury group Richemont disappointed analysts Monday, missing growth forecasts and throwing into question the short-term outlook for its Asia-Pacific region. Third-quarter sales in the Americas posted stellar growth at 13%, but the geo only accounts for $600 million worth of revenue. Europe's growth up 9% to $1.3 billion. However, AP was flat at $1.5 billion. Wholesale revenue disappointed too, rising only 2% as retailers in Hong Kong and China adopted inventory controls. India hiked its import duty on gold from 4% to 6% this week to curb demand, which it contends has played a major role in driving up the nation's current account deficit. Industry groups and analysts fear the move will increase gold smuggling. However, the consensus is that higher taxes shouldn't impact consumer demand. India's most recent current account deficit for fiscal half through September was nearly $39 billion, or 4.6% of the GDP, far above sustainable levels of only 2.5%. Our Avi Krawitz headed off to VicenzaOro and filed this report of the midwinter trading mood.
Jeff, there was steady traffic at the VicenzaOro Winter Show this week, but that didn't necessarily translate to strong buying activity, particularly for diamond exhibitors who were somewhat hidden in the exhibition hall. Perhaps for that reason there weren't that many diamond exhibitors there. And those who did attend were focused on supplying the Italian jewelry manufacturing sector, and they did some business with their existing clients. They noted that sales have been affected in the past few years as designers have changed the mix of product they use in their jewelry to cater for more affordable price points during the current challenging economic environment. That includes lower quality diamonds, with Italian jewelry manufacturers looking at SI and even PK goods, which would have been unheard of not too long ago. There is also a strong trend towards silver jewelry, lighter weight gold, and there was a lot of use of color stones in Vicenza this year. So you felt a slight tension between design and price at the show as Italians work to maintain their position in the market. They are facing tough competition from mass manufacturing markets such as China and India, and there's a general feeling that they are at a disadvantage to compete in those consumer markets given the existing import duties on gold jewelry in China and India. But overall, Italian jewelry manufacturers seem quite confident that their name remains synonymous with quality product and innovative design, and it seems that's what people came to see. You got a sense that retailers and manufacturers from the US, Eastern and Western Europe, China, India, Australia, among others, walked the halls taking notes rather than making orders. But that may be enough for now, as the show is enhancing its own offering to showcase Italian design and jewelry product. These include new exhibition concepts such as its boutique show and About J invitation-only event in September. And we'll have more on those in the coming days on diamonds.net. For now, it's back to you in New York, Jeff.
Thank you, Avi. Time now to check on how precious metals prices performed this past week. For all the latest industry news, be sure to check diamonds.net and follow us on Facebook and Twitter.